Come.
A teacher has chairs for 50 students. There were 23 boys and 18 girls sitting in the chairs. Which method can be used to find the number of empty chairs? So first I'm going to look for the main idea, which is always in the last sentence. I'm trying to find the number of empty chairs. So I'll go ahead and set that up. Main idea is number of empty chairs. Okay. I know that I can make a unit bar that's talking about the teacher's chairs. So T is for teacher, C for chairs, abbreviate. I have a unit bar. And at the top of the unit bar is where you put your total. So the teacher had a total of 50 students. Okay. There were 23 boys and 18 girls sitting in the chairs. So I'm going to put that there's 23 boys, 18 girls. And we are trying to find the number of empty chairs. So this space is going to have a question for the chairs that are empty. Question mark, I'm sorry. Now, down here in our strategy box, I'm going to write a few number sentences because this can be worked in many ways. Some students will know that if there's 50 chairs, they can subtract the number of chairs that the boys are sitting in, and they can subtract out the number of chairs that the girls are sitting in to find an answer. And when we show process, we draw the box. Another way that you could do it is to add up what's already in the unit bar and then subtract from the total. So that would look like this. 23 boys plus 18 girls is going to give you a certain number that are taken up by boys and girls. And then you would do total number of chairs minus what is taken. Looking at the answer choices, add 23 and 18. That would only give you what's taken, and we're trying to find what's empty, so that would not be it. Subtract 18 from 23. I don't think we want to subtract girls from boys. Add 23 and 18. That would be adding boys and girls, which I proved right here. And then subtract the sum. Sum is the answer to an addition problem. Yes, we would subtract the sum from 50, which is what I showed here. So this actually matches right here. Subtract 18 from 23, that would be girls from boys, and then add 50 to the difference. Well, we can't add 50 because 50 is your total. If you add to 50, you'd make the total bigger, which we can't do. And then if the students would solve this, it would look like this. 23 boys plus 18 girls. 3 plus 8 is 11, so you'd put a 1 in the ones, regroup a 1 to the tens, 2, 3, 4. That's 41 chairs taken total by boys and girls. Now let's subtract from the total number of chairs they have. 50 chairs total minus the 41 that are being used. You always start in the ones. If you have 0 ones, you cannot take away 1, so we go next door and we regroup the 5 tens into 4 tens. And since you regrouped them, this becomes a 10 because we brought over 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. 4 minus 4 is 0. So the remaining chairs that are empty would actually be 9 if we solved. Now let's see if you can try one on your own.
No, I'm just saying.